Okay guys, as you can see right here, somebody needs a step-by-step procedures on how to solve this particular quadratic equation. I have the question on the board, let's help him out. In fact, with the same question, one way to do this is to distribute these two right here and then proceed from there. But I'm not going to give this advice because if you take a look at this equation right here, every term is divisible by 2. So we can straight away divide each term by 2, and that is going to help because it's going to make the numbers manageable, especially when you are not having calculator. So I'm not going for this idea. In fact, this is good, but it's not best for this particular question. What I will do is that I'll divide everybody by 2, just like this. So that, in fact, 2 goes into itself 1 and then goes into 4 2 times. And this time we have 2x to the second power. Then right here, 2 will cancel out 2, and we'll be left with plus x to the second power minus 2. And this time, I'm not going to put the parentheses simply because initially every term inside the parentheses was multiplied by 2. And now that the 2 is gone, we don't need it anymore. Then the right hand side, in fact, we are going to have 2 goes into itself, 1 goes into 20 10 times. So we are going to be left with just 10 right here. Now check this out. We have 2x to the second power, x to the second power. In fact, these two terms are like terms. If that happens, we can combine them. But don't forget, this x to the second power right here is of coefficient 1. And now we have 1 plus 2, which will give us 3. Then we attach the x to the second power to it, as simple as that. Then again, we will just go ahead and then add 2 to each side of the equation simply because we want this and that to go. Then we'll be left with, then the right hand side we have 10 plus 2, which is just 12. Remember, we want x squared to be alone on the left hand side, but it is having 3 as coefficient. Now let's get rid of this 3 by dividing inside of the equation by 3 so that this and that will go. Then we'll be left with just x to the second power is equal to, right here 3 goes into itself, 1 goes into 12 4 times. So we have 4 right here. Again, we want only x, but this time we have x to the second power. We can get rid of the power right here by taking square root on each side. So I'm going to put square root right here. Now check this out. Whenever you take an even root on a number, you have to bring plus or minus. Now this square will cancel out this square root. Then on the left hand side, we have x is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is just 2. And these are our answers. Actually, there are 2. We have the first one to be x is equal to 2, or the second one is x is equal to minus 2. Just like this. Now check this out. When you are done like this, don't just go ahead and then replace x right here with each of these answers and verify whether you get the right hand side, which is 20. But just trust me, they all satisfy the equation. So that is that. I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more. Don't forget to check out this video or this one. See you again on the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.